Okay, to begin, you want to make a slip knot. You want to chain 13. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Once you have your 13, you want to do 3 double crochet and the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Then you want to work 1 double crochet in the next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In that last stitch, you want to work 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we want to work 1 double crochet in the next 9 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now in our last stitch right here, we want to work 3 double crochets. And then we're going to work a slip stitch in this first double crochet that we made. Next, we're going to chain 1, work 2 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. So you should have 6 stitches for this new round. Next, we're going to work 1 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And next we're going to work 2 double crochet in the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 16. If you go back, that should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Now 1 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to work 2 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. We're going to slip stitch to that first half double crochet we made. Chain 1. Cut your yarn. Okay, 1 minute, baby. Pull it through. And there you have a 6 to 9 month sole. Then all you have to do is get your needle, get your yarn in there. It'll all go in. And then all you have to do is sew that in. Okay, so then once you have your yarn in there, you can come in through here and just sew that in a little bit. And skip 1 and go back and work the other way, and then stretch it just a little bit, make sure that it's not gonna come undone. Cut any extra yarn off, and there you have your sole. Now if you're going to double them up like I am doing, you can, and then in my next video I will show you guys how to sew these together if you're not quite sure. And then in another video I'm going to show you guys how to make this crochet van shoe that I am currently working on. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I will see you guys next time.